What's up guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. Today we are here at Center Suites Escario, Cebu, and we are heading for a Christmas party. And I am here already at Cebu City, and it's actually my first party since I got here. I'm going to the function room where everything will happen, and alright, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Huh? Hello, Sir Brendan. Sir. Hi.
Negative 4.
Blur ka, safe ang focus. Hello.
My God, grabe!
Mga winner. Yung sa gabi mag-gula makasya. Wow.
United CJ.
Gapahar na eh.
Thank you. Kaya bisag naglakaw po bilang kami.
Hello, boots. Red kayo. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Subscribe ha!
Like and subscribe. Huh? He's the fan. Pwede mo ikapan eh.
Pwede wake up ano?
Naka-make up kayo. Hello.
Yes! Halag sigod!
Lagi. Sample na iring.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi!
Sayaw!
Hello!
Hi.
Yes. Welcome everyone, and then I just hope everyone will enjoy the night. Thank you.
My name is Catherine. I blog at Nasib Thoughts.
We blog at The Weekend Dispatch.
That's it? Like, are you single?
My blog is wininTransit.com.
Hi guys, I'm Saikaniki. I blog at saikaniki.com and I have a YouTube channel which is Saikaniki. Please subscribe.
Hey guys, so I'm Aldred. I blog at aldredformoshki.com sa personal/art/lifestyle.
I would like to thank everyone for coming to my birthday today. My name is Janice. I'm the friendly mother blogger from the MrsV.com, formerly the Manila Housewife, which unfortunately went down the drain.
Rainbow socks.
My name is Philip Andrew Mayol. I blog at cebufinance.com. It's an entertainment blog. Rainbow ang gano'n, na pressure ko zero. And then I also have my personal blog, skiptheflip.com.
I'm a fashion blogger. I'm a filmmaker and YouTuber.
To the voice.
Groups, ang prize kay ano, secret.
Topic!
English.
One word.
One word.
Tagalog.
Tagalog.
Mano po. Mano po,
Opo.
Ninong.
Bless.
Ay, bless.
Bless.
Ninong. Oh, Mano. Mano.
One word. Uy, one word.
Tagalog.
One word. Ninong. Lolo. Oh, Ninong.
Ninong. Like,
Okay, sige. Timer starts now. One word. Two words. English.
First word. Christmas tree.
Belen.
Christmas card. Christmas card. Wow.
Two words. Belen. Two words. English.
First word.
Valentine's season.
Virgin birth.
13th month.
Second word.
Libo ka, besh? Sa mga, uy!
like and subscribe.
Sabi.
No. Jingle balls. Wala ka
Two words.
Uy, sige, gusto mo yan.
Why not drop? Not cracker.
I'm Julian C.
Gus ni Kukubik yung
My blog is kaibigan ko sa IT.
Ano yung mga kuhan kayo sila? Mga social kayo sila. 35 gigs lang. Kami. Butso.
It's a song game. Nick, nakadong naman.
Pitch perfect.
Ready now. Sige, for the first category, we have songs nga naay name sa person. Sa kung saan nga name, basta person siya. Okay? So, ready, set, group, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
4 pa mo, di ba? Why, Delilah? Why? Group to na, oy! Kita! Oy, group to! Jenny, what's the problem? One!
Johnny old St. Nicholas.
Even I know looks can be deceiving.
Oh, good to go!
My Lando.
Wala yun! Dinoon mo lang!
My Lando.
Oh, tanda na yun! Oo! Tanda! Ito na po! Temo 4! Anay mo!
Jack
Uy,
and
ano?
Jill went up the hill
Kita
to
din.
fetch a pail of
Water! Sila na po doon ay kalimti! One, two, three, go! Hey, Mickey, you're so fine! You're so fine! Go! Alright, Mickey! Mickey! Next song. Kita? Kami? Kita? 2?
Dear John by Taylor Swift kato siya.
Nag-give chance na kadaong dito ganiha. Ayun, Queen.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Okay, so yung next
Starry night. Face your mind.
Merong tatsulog.
Moon River. And the mile.
Asam shade.
Shades na shades.
Oh, no! Wala yung mga nursery rhyme. Lakas baka charis, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Please.
To the Hotel California.
Wait, madam. Somewhere
Down the road. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Ready for you. Welcome to New York.
Cebu, Cebu.
1, 2, 3. London Bridge is falling. Manila, Manila. I'm going home to Manila. Does the moonlight shine on Paris? 1, 2, 3. Manila girl.
Puro Manila.
Mahal kong may
Uy, ibalik na! Ibalik na! Ibalik na! Mana! Mana!